This is my... Hello. I hope that the people are actually watching this. Because this is my first live stream. At the moment, no one is here. But I'll tell you what this live stream is about. I'll also put it in the chat. I will be some maths questions and answering so this is going to be a great one. It's my first one, so let's get into it. Starting off with the page which I'm going to be doing my notes in. This one, which you can tell I've done a fair lot of notes in here. It's still getting to page I'm doing on. No, a little space I had in here. So hopefully I'll be able to get them all done in this one space. I've got a pen and pencil in case I need it, and also a sheet with all of the questions. And so I'm going to be starting off with exercise 5A of A-level mathematics at Excel. So hopefully he's enjoy. Yeah, and I'm going to actually get to that page right now. I still haven't done that yet. Quadratic, transformation. 5A. Please enjoy this, everyone. Okay. Okay, so 5A, question 1, and is on work out the gradient of the line is joining these pairs of points. So that is y2 minus y1 and over x2 minus x1 equals m. And so firstly, I'm going to write out my coordinates. And it looks like one person's just left. Sorry if this may seem a bit boring to you, but this is what I'm doing. So that is 3 minus 2 over 6 over 4. So that equals 1 over 2. M is half. So for that one. Now on to B. Negative 1, 3, 5, 4. So that is 4 minus 3 over 5 minus negative 1. So that is 1 minus 6. M is a 6. Now on to C. Negative 4, 5, 1, 2. That is 2 minus 5, but 1 minus negative 4 equals negative 3 over negative 1 minus negative 4. So that's 1 plus 4, so 5 equals negative 3 over 5. D. So D is, so man, there's going to be quite a lot of them here. Two, negative 3, 6, 5. 5 minus negative 3 over 6 minus 2 equals 8. Put 4, which equals 2. N equals 2. Now on to E. -3, 4. And -6. -6 minus 4 over 7 minus -3 equals -10 over 7 minus -3, so that's 7 plus 3, so equals 10. That's -10 over 10, which equals -1. M equals -1. X. And anyway, I really should have brought a ruler over me. Here's now I can actually make sure I have more space. -12, 3, -2, 8. -2 minus -12 over 8 minus 3. Hey, thank you for you two who are watching. Really, thank you. So that equals plus 12. So that would be 10. 8 minus 3, 5, that equals 2. M equals 2. Now on to G. -2, 4. No, actually, -4. Almost didn't notice that. And 10, 2. Minus -4. 10 minus -2. 2 plus 4. 6. 6 over 12. Which is 1 over 2. Equals 1 over 2. Now I'm just going to get a ruler from my pencil case. Technically not a complete ruler, it's going to be practically just straight line from one of these, which they always give us in math sets. This was one of the reasons why it brought with me a pencil. And now on to H. 1 over 2, 2. And over 4. 4. Okay, so that is opening bracket 3 over closing bracket minus opening bracket 1 over 2 over no 1 minus 2 over 4 minus 1 over 2 is 2. So by that logic, it's 1/2 equals 2/4, so 3/4 minus 2/4 equals 1/4. 1/4, so times it by 4. So that equals 8. M equals 8. Well, quite nice to actually see. There are people there, you know. If you want, you can actually ask questions in the comments, and I may actually answer them by the end of 5A. Now on to I. 1/4, 1/2, 1/2, and 2/3. So that would be That's my dad going past. Yeah, I've got that open, and yeah. That would be 6 minus 6 over the 2/4 over 1/4. And 6 over 1/4. 5, 4, so that's 4 over 1, so that's 4, 6. So n is 2/3. Yes. Yeah. And now on to J. And I can tell this is going to be one of my longest. This one's having to do. Already taken me 11 minutes. The other one only really just done 9 questions. I'm getting distracted. Negative 2.4, 9.6, 0, 0. I think the bird just went past. 0 minus 6 over 0 minus negative 2. So that is negative 9.6, 2.4. Be 96. So that would be 96 over 24, which by logic 9 plus 15, and both divisible by 3, it would be 15 over 8. Which by logic equals 1 and 7/8, so both 1 and 7/8. This is fun. This is fine. 1.3, 2, negative 2.2, 8.8, negative 4.7. Negative 4.7. Plus 4.7, so that would be 8 plus 1.7, so that would be, yeah, it's negative 1.5, 2.5. 5 over 8 minus 1.3, 8.5, 7 plus 25 over 25, which equals 25, which equals 1. 5. M equals 1 over 5. Now on to the next page. Page of my book, as seen here. Now I'm on to L. So this is not much. It's left of question 1. This is going to be fun. 10 questions in 5A. I'm going to do it. I'm going to try to do it. Hopefully I get onto the quadratics by an hour. So L 0 5A. Okay, that's interesting. 10 A 0. So that would be 0 minus 5A. 10 minus 0 equals negative 5A. 10A. So M equals negative a half. Ah, and welcome to that fourth person who's just joined. It's nice to actually know there are people watching, and you've just left. What a shame. And of course that doesn't even work. I can check, see who it is. But whoever that was, hello. Nice to see you back. Now on to M, which is not like M is like gradient. Question 1M. 3B, 2B, and of course I'm going to B, 2B, or not to be. That is the question. Minus negative 2B over 7B minus 3B equals 1B over 4B equals 1. M equals 1. Now on to question N, the end of this area. Finally. Never thought I'd actually get to the end. And at this rate, yeah. And this one. P squared Q squared. Yeah, we're gonna have to use algebraic division. Fun times. So that would be P squared minus Q squared over Q. It goes P and the Q right around for the squared parts. It's actually Q squared minus P squared. So by that logic, it means B Q plus B and Q minus B. Because A minus B squared equals A plus B, A minus B. Both first in brackets. Over Q minus P. And it looks like my connection's just gone stable, and I'm back. Sorry about that. That I had some shaky connection there. Happens a fair bit in my household. Yeah. And that is question 1 finished. Now on to question 2. At least none of the rest actually have letters. It's alongside the number now, which means now it's just that's flying. So this one, we are given the gradient, but we have to find out what the third one is. So M equals 4. 4 equals A minus negative 5 over 6 minus 3. This will be interesting. plus 1 over 3. 12 equals A plus 5. 7 equals A. So A equals 7. Question 3. Thing 5b to 8.3 has gradient negative 3. B minus 3 minus 5 equals negative 3. 1 times. Negative 3 equals B minus 3 over 3. So negative 9 equals B minus 3. Negative 6 equals B. So there's a change in 3 in the x and a change in 3 in the y, which would relatively make negative 3. Then again, that's also not reasonable as well. Should be negative 9. I think I'll check that. That's 4. And yes, it is wise to check your answers. I think I'll do the checking at the end, actually. And it looks like all of you guys have left. Sorry. If you're not finding this fun. Admittedly, I'm not either. But artwork needs to be done sometimes, especially when you're slacking behind with this work. So you gotta do it. I expect I'll probably end up having to go into hours. But still, I hope someone's enjoying this. And I think it's the guy who's actually still watching. Okay, so question 4. So 3 over 4 equals 6 minus 4 over 7 minus c. So that would be 2 over 7 minus c equals 1 over 4. So by that logic, it is 0.75. So that's because they are equal. And this on this side and 2 over 7 minus c. 5.4 over 1. So, by logic, equals 8 over 7 minus c. So 3 over bracket 7 minus c equals 8. So 21 minus 3c equals 8. 1 equals 3c plus 8. That's 8 on this side. 13 equals 3c. c equals 13 over 3. This is going to take me a while. Certainly did take me a while. It's just going to add this down here. Now on to question 4. So -1. Okay, so what do you mess it up? 4 minus 2d 1 over 4 minus 2d over 2 1 over 4. Minus 4d negative 1 4. So we can times each side by 4. So that becomes 32 minus 16d equals negative 1. 13 minus 16d negative 4. 32 16d minus 4. 6 equals 16 d. D equals, that would be 18 over 8, 9 over 4. So 8d equals 18, 8, 9, 8 equals 9 over 4. That may not be the most mathematical way to do it, but that's how I did it. And nice to see here one person's come back. Hello, for that person who came back. Yeah. Nice to see you. Yeah. This is most certainly fun. Two plus y minus negative 2 over 2e minus 7. So by that logic, 4e minus 20 equals 7. So 4e equals 1. And of course, annoying when your brain just shuts off when you need it. So it equals 21. And e equals 21 over 4. Yeah. That is that done. This is definitely not good. As expected, but still needs to be done. All these need to be done. I do wonder why you guys aren't exactly in the comments, so I'm just going to actually go on my phone to actually quickly have a look to actually see if this to actually have a look. Yep, it is on there. It's on there. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, it's working. I can actually see from your comments and so what's going on. And of course, now technically there are 3 people because there is myself off my phone watching this now. Also, I can much easily check the comments. And so that's being done. And back to the questions. F minus 7. Okay, this is going to be 4 minus 28 equals F minus 2. F minus 28 equals negative 2. F equals 26. Question 8. Two G minus 3 negative G minus 3 equals negative 3. G minus 3 equals 3G plus 9. Equals G plus 9 equals G. Yeah. I really do wish I could actually identify who you other two are. So, yeah. I really do wish I could. Let's go to number 9. Okay, this one I've got 3. I've got to actually show that the points, it's A, which is 2, 3, B, which is 4, 4, and C, 10, 7, and can be joined on a straight line. This is a big puzzle. I'm going to need to think on how to do this. So maybe work from the gradient of AC first, and then check A, B, and then just to make sure, just to check to see if there's C. That could work. Four minus 3 over 4, 2 equals 1 over 2. Okay. And one between A and B. Wait, that was AB. So 7 plus 3. 10 plus 2 equals 4 over 8, which equals 1 over 2. Because of that, points A, B, and C lie on the same line. Q, E, D. Quadrat demonstratum. And it looks like most of you guys just left. Yeah. I have no idea why. You know, probably because you guys had to go and have your lunch. I'll probably have to do that soon. And so when I actually have my lunch, I'll just have my lunch. Yeah. I should brought my lunch in with me. And I'm almost at the end of 5A. And I'll be able to go and check. Okay, so very quickly, I'm just going to actually check the live stream, because I do have it on my phone. Yes, I am checking. And okay, now check. Just add some there. Like that. And yes, this is working. Yes. Yeah, it's still streaming even when I'm not even on YouTube. Yeah. Okay, that is interesting. So we're now on to 10. Question 10, and then I would have completed this exercise, and then I'll be able to do the checking. No, actually, I'll do the checking at the end, so then I'll go straight on into 5B. Maybe you can have a bit of a break. It's A. Are collinear. Okay. I've completely forgotten what the word collinear means, so I'm going to have to look that up. Needing maths. Yep. 3 or more points that they stay on the same line. It's a shame that no one else is watching this, admittedly. Shame. I actually do hope that this live stream will actually stay on my YouTube channel. I don't really know so much about live streams. As I said, this is my first live stream. Okay, so using the same method I did before, A minus 6A minus negative 2A equals negative 4A over 8A, which makes those negative 1 over 2. So I need to show that they're collinear. Again, and I will stay in that. And if I actually was moving a little bit closer. And so that's 4A minus 5 over 0 minus negative 2A negative A over 2A is negative 1 over 2. They're the same. Well, they are collinear. QED. Yeah. That's 5A done. It's only taken me 40 minutes to do it. And yet we don't really have that much time to do that in just one lesson. Probably why I know. That's why we were probably only given a sample of questions then. And it's not the entire lot. Like I'm doing. And now 5B, of course. So I better give myself a bit of a break. And also I'm going over here. Yes, actually I'm going to be using this and all. And it looks like, hello, I'm just having a bit of a break at the moment. Okay, break over. Back to doing doing some mathematics. And we are on to 5b. You find the gradient. And this will be fun. Twelve questions. Yeah, this will be absolutely fun. Looks like some of you guys have come back. Warning. Negative 2x plus 5 grad equals 2 negative x plus 7 and equals negative 1. 4 plus 3x. That'd be 3x plus 4. That'd be 3x plus 4 because a plus b equals c, so c minus b equals a. They are in so b plus a equals a plus b. 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 4. Equals not that. 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2 is 2. Brain, you are not helping. Seriously, my brain is not helping. I've used, and it looks like I've lost this connection, and someone has exited. I'm back online. Even though that person still exists, that means it's not my phone. Now I want to see. This is gonna take a while. Yeah. Wait a minute, I've already done C. So it's D. 1/3 of x plus 2. 1/3 equals, this is a gradient, which I'm saying grad. E. And of course I've lost connection again. Not sure why it's cutting out so much. I actually don't. Yeah, I actually don't know. Seriously. I actually don't. You know, maybe it was again a judgment to do a live stream for this. I'm having to do this from my laptop, which I've never done a YouTube video from my laptop. And I am finding these kind of boring a bit. This is playing me in a real tough position. I've got to keep going. I think I'm going to actually keep on going. I just can wait. I think for at least another half an hour. For at least. Almost at an hour mark. The gradient for E is 607. Y equals 2 minus 7x. Which is negative 7x plus 2. Grad equals negative 7. I really should have actually watched someone else's study with me here beforehand. And found a way to boost this. Oh, that person that's just entered and then just left. feel really alone. Should I continue? This question, please, someone answer that. I actually do want to know whether I should continue or not. I'm literally having second thoughts. What's now? I'm doubting whether I should continue this. You know, maybe it was against my judgment. That's it for this live stream. See ya.